This is a non-MCQ para-jumble question. When we look at the sentences, we can see that 5-4 should be a mandatory pair because 5 says that BGN isn't alone in the world, and 4 gives the reason as to why this sentence has been made, that BGN isn't alone in the world because more than 50 nations have some type of national naming authority. When we look at the other sentences, that is 1, 2 and 3, we can see that they should form a sequence of 2, 3, 1 because Caldwell says that BGN strongly favors established local usage when making its decisions. Sentence 3 gives a contradiction which says, but even though BGN strongly favors established local usage, they also have an interest in preserving long-standing names. One gives a reason as to why they have an interest in preserving long-standing names. Now the question is, should 231 come before 54 or after 54? If 231 should come after 54, there should be some relation between 4 and 2. Or if it has to come before 54, there should be some relation between 1 and 5. When we look at 1 and 5, 1 says we don't want to change names very frequently. That's why the process is so deliberate. 5 says BGN isn't alone in the world. There doesn't seem to be any connection between the two sentences. So 231 should definitely not come before 54. Let's see if it can come after 54. So there should be a relationship between 4 and 2. 4 says that the board works with counterparts in places like the UK, Ireland, New Zealand and Australia. Here the board should refer to BGN itself, and 2 says Caldwell a board member. So there is definitely a relation between 4 and 2. So the correct sequence should be 5, 4, 2, 3, 1.